Let's see how we can customize the app. We need to click on this caret here and click on Preferences. In larger screens, this sub-menu will be expanded and you will see these buttons directly on the top bar. I have a few extra options as I have the Pro version here. So the first thing we can change is the background. Let's for example use the grid. The panel default can be switched between Python and R. This means that whenever you add a new panel, it will be by default on either language. The panel drop shadow effect adds a shadow to each panel, which looks great. However, it requires significant extra CPU and can make the UI much slower. Each data frame that is created or modified in a panel will appear next to it. However, when we deal with big data, this can crash the RAM if we have very big data frames. We can trim the tables to 1000 records, which significantly reduces the RAM usage. We can also change the panel background. Let's for example use the camo green one. We can turn off the minimap, which is very useful when using a small screen and it takes significant visual space. We can also turn off the panel error detection. For example, let's try one example with and without it. I will write an imbalanced parenthesis. Here you can see the alert. Now we turn it off. Finally, let's turn off the file navigator. It's quite useful for small screens. Remember that, by the way, we can press F1 and that will hide everything on the screen.